Welcome to Bike News, your trusted source for all things two-wheeled. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Indian Scout Bobber, a motorcycle that blends raw heritage with aggressive styling and modern muscle. For those who crave that old-school bobber attitude with updated performance, this machine promises a thrilling experience on every ride. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Scout Bobber continues to embody a minimalist, stripped-down design language, enhanced with subtle modern touches. Its chopped fenders, low-slung profile, and blacked-out finishes give it a mean, purposeful stance. The classic teardrop fuel tank now comes with fresh badging, while the solo seat and bar-end mirrors stay true to the bobber spirit. New color schemes like matte titanium smoke and stealth black further enhance its road presence. This year's design tweaks are subtle but impactful, making the Scout Bobber look tougher and leaner than ever. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Scout Bobber lies the iconic 1,133 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering 100 horsepower and 98 newton-meters of torque. This engine offers strong low-end pull and a smooth throttle response, ideal for both city cruising and open-road sprints. The 6-speed transmission feels crisp, and the belt drive remains quiet and low maintenance. Indian has fine-tuned the ride dynamics slightly for 2025, offering better heat management and a more refined exhaust note, giving the rider a deeper connection to the road and machine. Technology and features. While the Scout Bobber retains its raw essence, Indian has subtly upgraded the tech package. You now get a USB charging port, ABS as standard, and optional ride modes for added versatility. The digital analog instrument cluster remains minimalist but functional. The new model also benefits from improved LED lighting all around for better night visibility. Though it doesn't go overboard with electronics, the additions make daily rides more convenient and safer. Ride and handling. Built on a lightweight aluminum frame, the 2025 Scout Bobber offers confident and agile handling. The low seat height and mid-controls provide an aggressive yet comfortable riding position. The suspension setup remains unchanged but well-calibrated for urban riding and light touring. Indian has kept the dual rear shocks, ensuring a stiff and responsive rear end, though long-distance comfort may still favor solo riders. Cornering clearance is limited, as expected from a bobber, but the thrill is undeniable. Conclusion. The 2025 Indian Scout Bobber doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it perfects what it already does best, delivering old-school American muscle with just the right touch of modern performance. It's ideal for riders who crave character, torque, and a head-turning design. Stay tuned to Bike News for more reviews, and let us know in the comments if the Scout Bobber is your kind of ride.